Wish I could get through to you, don't know what I do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bushra from Beauty Buzz by Bushra. Today I am going to create a very special look for upcoming Eid al-Fitr. This is the look what you can create on Eid day. I am going to create 3 different looks. So this is the first episode where I have created this very first look for Eid. It's an ethnic gothic kind of a makeup look what you can carry with your white kurti or cotton sari. So yeah, if you're interested that how I have achieved this look, then you have to keep on watching. But before starting the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and you have also hit the bell button as you can have more updates. So without doing any further pak, let's get into the video. Okay, definitely I'm going to start with my eye makeup, but today I will try to create something very new what you have not seen yet before on my channel. And as I have already told on my intro that I will try to create very ethnic and gothic kind of a makeup look. So let's see how it comes out. So first I'm going to prime my lid and also I will clean my eyebrows area just to make it more chisel and sharpen. And for that purpose I'm using this Makeup Revolution Concealer and Perfect Concealer in the shade C8. It's a 2 to 3 shade lighter than my skin tone. To clean my eyebrows and to make it more chisel, I'm using this flat kind of a brush. I'm using this iMagic Beauty Blender, which is a very reasonable beauty blender. I will give the purchase link on my description box. Please check that out. Now I am using this MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder in the shade NC42. For eye makeup, today I am using this Nicka K Autumn Spice eyeshadow palette. This one is a very warm kind of a eyeshadow palette. It has a very beautiful warm different 9 shades of eyeshadow. You are going to have 3 different shimmer kind of eyeshadow and some other very peachy kind of nude color and yellow warm color. So first I will try to warm up my lid and crease area. So I'm using this yellow shade and I'm going to use a very tiny blending brush. It's a very simple eye makeup. I just thought to create this look in the morning, like on Eid day. Maybe it will go with the weather and the atmosphere. So I hope and I also believe that you can carry this look any morning or in afternoon. Definitely this look will complement with your to your costume and your personality. So as you can see that I have already warmed up my transition, like my crease area. And from this palette I'm taking a very what I can say, ivory kind of a color, this white, it's a pink undertone white. So now I'm going to take this white and then I will highlight this my ear and doing. Now I'm going to take this orange kind of a peach shade and I'm going to apply it on my outer corner, and I will try to create a V like in this way. Now I'm taking this very dark coffee kind of a shade and I will also apply this on my outer corner. I want to make it more intense, and for that reason I'm using my eyebrow powder, or you can use any kind of black eyeshadow, and then I will apply it on my outer corner as well, and then I will blend it with that shadow. I'm just trying to create a outer V that it looks green. Now I'm going to take this very what I can say, matte gold kind of, or like dark, very dark gold type of a color, and I'm using my finger and I'm taking this shade. I'm just going to apply this one my inner part of my lid, not central, like this, and then I'm going to blend it with a brush. Just look at the pigment, guys, it's so pigmented. Now, and I'm quite happy with the output. So now I'm going to do the exactly same things on my left eyes. Now I'm going to apply, like, this is the showstopper on this whole eye look, and that is the kajal. Today I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Super Black Kajal, and today I'm not going to use any kind of eyeliner or anything. I will just apply this kajal very deeply and intensely. Thus it gives me a very gothic kind of a look. So just follow what I'm doing. I'm just applying this kajal. As you can see, this eyeshadow have some fallout, so that's why I'm going to clean it. So I'm taking a cotton pad, and I'm using this my cleansing toner, and let wipe this fallouts, thus I can have a very clean platform for canvas for work, because glitters and shimmery shades are very disturbing. It has fallout and it create problem on your lower lash line. done. So now I'm going to smudge my kajal with help of this dark coffee shade, and I'm using a pencil brush. I'm taking this color and I'm just going to smudge my kajal. Now I'm using this black eyeshadow, my eyebrow powder, and I'm taking this and I will make it more intense. Now I'm going to smudge my this dark black and coffee kind of kajal thing with this peach orangey undertone peach color, and I'm using a small blending brush to blend these things. Now I'm going to reapply my kajal again because I'm not quite happy with my intense of my kajal. Now I'm quite happy. So after doing this, I'm going to apply my kajal on my upper lash line. Like today I'm not going to draw any eyeliner. I just only want to create a thin line, thus I can hide my eyelash band. So that's why I'm just going to apply this on my upper lash line. With this kajal, I'm creating a very thin eyeliner just to hide my eyelash band. Yeah, like this. So today I'm using this very dramatic eyelash, 6D mink eyelash. Definitely I will give you the purchase link. And I'm going to wear this behind the camera. Okay, so my eye makeup is almost done. I'm just going to do one thing, and that is I'm taking this pen ink eyeliner. It's from Stay Quirky brand, and I'm just going to sharpen my inner corner in this way. So I have just lengthened my wing of eyelash just to create an illusion. It's make it more winged kind of a shape, and now I'm happy. So my eye makeup is done. At this moment I'm keeping it here. Today I'm using this Tarte Base Step Hydrating Primer. It's a mini one, like travel one. So I'm using a little bit of this primer. It's a high-end brand. I think Tarte is not available in Nykaa, but definitely on some other Instagram store you can find it, those who are from India. And those who are from Bangladesh, there is a Facebook page named Fashion Truck. You can find any kind of high-end product, makeup product on that group. I will give you the link. for foundation, I'm using one of my favorite foundation which has a full coverage, and from the brand Maybelline Superstay full coverage foundation, and I'm in the shade golden, and I'm going to take 2 pumps of this foundation, and that is enough for my base makeup. And I'm using Fakalure foundation brush just to spread my foundation, and then I will blend it with the help of a Damn Beauty blender. So let me take my foundation brush, this one, it look like this. Okay, for concealer I'm using again that Makeup Revelation Perfect Concealer in the shade C8, and I'm going to use a little bit of concealer just to brighten up my under eye area. Now, baking time. I'm using Makeup Revelation Banana Loose Powder to bake my concealer. I will wait for a few minutes just to bake my concealer. Use 7 contour Honolulu powder, this one, and I will also bronze up my face a little bit, and I'm using a very tapered shade contour brush, this one. For nose contour, I'm using a very tiny brush just to make it more sharp. Just in case you're interested of how to achieve a flawless base makeup step by step, then you can check my that tutorial, step by step foundation tutorial. I will give you the link. You can check this out. Now for blush, I'm using my current favorite blush technique, Matte Mega Blush Palette. Here there is 4 different shades of blush. I'm going to mix all the color and then I will apply. And for the very last time, I'm going to apply my Colossal Kajal once again, because as you have seen that I have done my base makeup, and thus little bit of smokiness has just diffused because of concealer and other thing. So that's why I am reapplying my Kajal, and then again I'm going to smudge it with that pencil brush. I'm not going to take any kind of product, I will only smudge the Kajal. Yeah. Now mascara. For mascara, I am using this MAC Hottie Naughty Waterproof Mascara, this one, and I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line. Okay, for lipstick, you can choose nude kind of a lipstick with this eye look, because eye is quite smoky and more, if I can say, glamorous. but I will give you I'm going to show you two different options. Like I'm going to apply nude color shade for you guys, and again I'm going to apply a very dark kind of a shade. So for nude kind of a shade, today I have chosen this one, NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Liply 17. It's a beautiful nude shade, and let me show you first. So just look at the color, guys. It's a perfect nude shade for all skin types, especially for the dusky skin people. As I told you before, that I thought that today I'm going to show you two different lip color option, but this lip color suits with my skin like so flawlessly. It's totally complementing my look. So my mom just told me you should go for it. You should not change this color. So I'm going with this color. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really enjoyed to creating this tutorial, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial too, because I am so much happy with my output. And yeah, if you have enjoyed this tutorial, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and I will come back soon with the second look for each day. So till then, take care, bye, be happy, stay healthy, and I love you all.